Hi guys, Dorota International Nail Artist and Educator here, and I have been working on something absolutely fantastic for you. This is a beautiful, quite easy, still I would say rose nail art. Have a preview of it in here. Looks so romantic and fantastic. I hope you really like to learn this technique, and if you do, let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Also, if you're new in here, hit the subscribe button to don't miss any future tutorials coming up on this channel. And believe or not, guys, we've got over 1000 videos to watch. So if you just joined us and go back and check them out as well. And to you guys who supporting us for so long time, thank you so much. So let's start. They are absolutely stunning and amazing, so delicate, and guys, you can do it as well, and I will show you step by step how to achieve this color. So as a background, we are going to use 238, which is a pink sky. Like, look how bright this color is. I'm just placing like a very small drop of this color, and then using this sponge tool, we are gonna smudge it out like into a very pale pink color. Okay, that's perfect. And then do it exactly the same in here. Nice and very pale pink. Then using the same color, we will create couple splashes. So I want some roses here and here. So here we will have 3. Okay. So this is what is creating a rose. Really easy. Fantastic. So you can see it, we've got some darker and lighter places. Straight away on my mixing palette, I'm gonna pick up the white French gel. Just a small scoop of it. And the same color which we have used, just a little bit of it. We don't need much because we've got already in there. So I'm just picking up a tiny bit, and then the rest is white. And what you want to do it without of curing, actually, we are just gonna paint the first lines inside, just like this, and just like that. Again, pick up your white. And pick up the white. So I'm only picking up the white. The pink kind of mix on its own. Okay, we've got this part done. Let's paint another one. And another one. And then just start creating those petals. Absolutely random shapes. Basically, you want to kind of almost touch it with your brush, just like this. Different angles. So some of like the petals outside. I'm really just massaging it, and it's like an abstract rose. Absolutely beautiful. Again, going in into my white and adding more. Just like a wee white lines. You can see it, you can paint it small, you can paint it big. That really doesn't matter. Then let's grab some green. And I've got here 226. Nice and pastel-y green. I didn't even clean my brush. I can actually put a drop maybe of the yellow in it. Clean it from my nails so they don't get too messy. And then paint some leaves. So I want some leaf in here. Again, just the touches of the brush, like you can even remove some excess of the gel polish because you want them hardly visible, like Really nice and pastel-y light colors, not too strong. Okay, I am very happy with this first one. Let's cure it. And then we are gonna do it exactly the same in here as well. So that's our roses. Let's do more this time. Got one in here, one in there, one in there, and one in there. Amazing. They are pretty. Clean my brush, pick up the white. Nice and shaky, wiggly color going on straight away. Honestly, you can touch it any kind of way, to be honest. Going over the previous petals. Inside, inside, inside. Straight brush. Okay, happy with this one. Let's add the leaves. Just mixing those colors together. And cook it. Our next step is to grab the white we've gotten here and touch it up in some places. So like you want to paint your middle, nice swirly part. You can prolong this petal here and this one there. Here is another one and another one. Absolutely fast and amazing designs, like definitely salon friendly. Like, look, I have made the mistake and I have touched it on the top, doesn't matter really. The main mistake to do with this design would be to keep the petals too regular. You want them all different shapes and sizes. So ideally, if your hands shake like mine do now, you will probably get better results because your petal wouldn't be too exactly the same. Okay, add something here. Middle of the rose. I'm also trying to paint the petals which are here, like highlight inside, and then the petals which are outside, I'm highlighting outside. So those petals are open and those ones are a little bit closed. Okay, this one is closed. This one is twisted and is opening outside. Here I have created another one to do this rose. Pick up the white as well, add some detail in here, even just like on the one side. Cook it. And then we are going to do the same in here. So pick up a small amount of the product, nice and small. And to be honest, they already look not bad after outlining it with white. But there will be a one more step to them. And I think that's also enhanced them further. Like they are even prettier. Nice and shaky hand. I have created an extra petal there, and another one, and another one. Okay, the one on the top. Think I have twisted the tip entirely into your direction, guys. This design is actually so easy that I can even paint it not looking much on it, so you should have a wonderful view today. Okay, let's spread. This one is quite large, so I'm just gonna spread it into smaller one. Add something in the leaves, and look, I'm even not precise, like, I mean, it's just like a wee squiggle going on. Next step is to apply the top coat. I mean, it looks amazing already, really, it does, but we want to apply the top coat, and what we'll do is the top coat, like, will smooth out the white and kind of blended it in. Give those very romantic feel to them. Do the same in here. Top coat it. And you can see it like they're very irregular roses. Grab the buffer and just give it a couple scratches to it. Doesn't take long. You don't have to do it this step because they do look pretty nice already, but I feel like if the gel polish is under another layer of the top coat and then we paint also something over it, it gives like an extra dimension to it. It looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm just gonna repeat this step here as well. Buff it. You can also see it like by the length of this video, it just doesn't take this long to produce this amazing design. And you could just paint client nails. I would do it just on 2 fingers, like a ring finger and a middle finger, or a ring finger and an index finger, this design. Okay, let's grab the first one. So again, I'm picking up a very small amount of the white and just highlighting some places again. It's almost like, it's maybe like some of you might think like that just doesn't have a sense, like to do it again all over, but it does, like they look just completely different. And I'm able also to create an extra petals, which I couldn't see it before buffing. See here. That just makes a rose just prettier, much prettier. You can even go in some places over the place you have already outlined it, just to give it a more sharp look. Just gonna squeeze the tiniest dot ever. And then this petal inside. Look how pretty. I love this rose, like it looks absolutely amazing. Okay, leave this one the way it is. That's it. Done. Let's cook it. Okay, here I'm gonna twist even more. Then twist this petal, like almost create another one. Make this one wrap up around it. Okay, here I've got amazing petal actually, which is twisted that way. Highlight it. And because it's actually quite hard to touch exactly the same place, you're almost doing like a double petal, because even if you're thinking like you're painting in the same place, you don't. So later on, once we put the top coat, it just gives a much nicer results. And I'm doing so around it again. It's really like an amazing design. So this rose is kind of directing down the way. And yay, that's it. I'm gonna leave the other petals like to be very nice and pastel-y. Yes, that's absolutely perfect. So let's apply the top coat and then I can show you the final results for those. I would describe them like quite nice and easy. Look at the petals underneath, the ones which are on the bottom. They are hardly visible. They really kind of blending with the background and give this romantic feel to it. And then the roses in the central are popping out more because of those extra lines which we have added with the white color. And I love this one so much, like really nice rose. Absolutely stunning and beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna show you all 4 of them. The other 2 have been done exactly the same. Okay, that's my first rose cooked. Let me grab it and place it at just there. So we've got 3. And you can pack as many as you want, like, and you can make them stronger or like less outline. Like here I have outline that's slightly less. And then here's another one. Look how beautiful they look. I hope, guys, you have really enjoyed this tutorial. Sending you glittery hacks and bye for now.